Hey, I'm working right now. I will call back later when I'm done. Take care. What are you doing here? Your body temperature is so high. Come, let's go to the hospital. The dog's temperature is high. It needs treatment. I understand. Let's treat it right away. The puppy's heart rate is stable, but he needs an injection to prevent any complications. The dog will be fine soon. He just needs some rest. Thank you, doctor. Let's go home. I'm adopting you from today. Where are you going? Please stop. Life was so hard for me. Thanks for changing my life. There must be a problem. We have to go check it out. You're right. Let's go. We keep searching until we find someone. Understood. Are you okay? We are coming to rescue you. Hang on, please. Sorry, you will get better. Thanks. Thank you all so much. I'm going to be okay. You're welcome. How much for these? $2 each. That's too expensive. Please, can you give me for $1? I have no more money with. I will not sell for $1. Go away right now. Bring back my cola! Thanks a lot. I appreciate it. How useless they are. Get away from me, you useless dog. Oh my God! Someone help me! Please, some help! Someone help! What is happening here? You two are under arrest. I'm so sorry. Thank you for protecting my car. I owe you a lot.